This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel.
Hello guys, good morning. And as you can see, I'm trying to do my skincare because I haven't had time for my skin the recent days, the past month actually. Life's been hectic, but it's a new year, so I'm trying to do a reset on my skin. I'm just doing right now a clay mask from Innisfree. I'm just trying to remove what's stuck and clogged in my pores, just to give it a bit of refreshing. So I'm just gonna leave that for a bit, 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it off, do my regular skincare. My arm's still a bit sore from my vaccine. I actually had my COVID booster vaccine the other day with Queenie, and yesterday I was just dead. Like, I was bedridden, just in bed. I had fever, and my head was pounding. It's very painful, but I'm happy that today it's a bit better. It's better, so much better than yesterday. My head just hurts when I shake it really hard, and here this area hurts a bit, and my arm in general is so much better. This one's a game changer. This is a lip scrub from Cherry Bomb, I think. So it looks like that, and helps so much because my lips are usually dry, so it helps a lot. And it tastes so good. It's like candy.
And I can feel the sun on my skin.
I told you I've been bedridden yesterday, so it's a mess.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours.
I've just finished showering, and I'm just gonna do quick unboxing. I've already finished rearranging my room. Let's see. Okay, first this one from Amazon. It is my laptop stand. So let's just open it. Oh, it isn't assembled. This is from a brand. This isn't sponsored. They just kindly sent me this. They let me choose which one I prefer. And I really like that they're a vegan brand. I truly support those that are kind to Mother Nature. We love that one. We love this one. So it looks like this. Sinbono. I don't know how to read that, but it's like that. Cute! There it is. That is super cute. I chose this color. It's in a leathery material. Super chic. So they have ones like this. Those are like a soft material. You can open it actually like this. Looks like that. They're actually on sale right now. 12% off site-wide. So this one specifically, the one I have is $109. And you have a lot of colors. Lots and lots of colors. Lots and lots of designs as well. You can check their website. I'm gonna link it down in my description box. Yeah. Thank you so much, Sinbono, for this bag. Good morning, guys. So last night while I was doing one of my modules for my new job, I fell asleep because I was doing it lying down in the bed. It was around 1:30 or something in the morning, so I was really tired. I fell asleep on the bed without even the bed sheets. And I woke up around 4 and then I did my bed. Oh, let me just show you. It's all done. So it's all done. Our new room arrangement is all done. I'm gonna show you later. Okay, I'm just gonna show you now. There you go. Oh, sorry for my towel. I'm gonna remove that. There you go. And that's it. Many things I need to do is just declutter my drawers. You know, here, show you this one. I have to declutter. There's a bit of dust in there. I'm just gonna clean those. These drawers in here, drawers. I have to just declutter. This one's done. I've already decluttered that, so that's good. We still have this one, and then my cabinets as well. I have to declutter them because there's really so much mess. But right now, we'll do that later. Right now, we are just getting ready. It's 8:44 a.m. I'm leaving in about 30. Oh, see, that's my alarm. So I'll be leaving in 30 minutes. Because I'll have to do some stuff that I haven't done when I got knocked out from the COVID booster. So today I'm gonna go see a friend who just came here to Australia. I've worked with him before in my first ever nursing job in the Philippines. I don't think I'll be vlogging because it's our first meeting. We'll have to catch up a bit. So I will probably vlog him in the next vlogs to come. So I'll do that. I'll return my work uniform from my old workplace. What else? I'm going to the chemist because I'm gonna get like maybe Vicks or ointment to put on these allergies that are coming up. I don't know what's causing them, but they're like little bumps. They're really itchy. I'm just trying to stop myself from scratching them. And this is the fit for today. And we're good to go.
Spin me around and around, let me feel. Spin me again and again, till I'm upside down. Calling again and again, my name.
I know. Right, okay. Can I take your hand? I want you take care. Yeah. That's where I was last year, wasn't it? Yeah,
I'm home and I showered again because it was just so hot outside. We have instructions.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through